are good. So today's video is about the changes in IELTS exam, and many of my students are asking about the changes, but trust me, there is no big difference in IELTS right now, as it's all about listening where the change can be seen. Earlier in section 1 we used to see the example was there, but now there is no example, and I don't think so this makes any kind of difference if you are well prepared for your exam. So yes, now the example will not be there, and earlier section 1, section 2, section 3 and section 4 used to be there, but now instead of section they'll be using part 1, part 2, part 3 and part 4. Again, no such issue is there when it comes to exam. So yes, reading part is same, writing part is same, speaking is same. It's again all about your practice. So please stay away from the rumors. There is no such change in your IELTS exam. Thank you so much.